Okay guys, so I wanted to do a quick video about what we're going to be doing today. So we're continuing the argumentative essay. This is what we're going to be doing for the rest of the week. So make sure that if you're having problems, ask questions, and if you're confused, email me. We're going to have a Google Meet today so you guys can clear up any issues that you're having. So first of all, let's talk about this warm-up. I wrote this little paragraph based on one of the claims that we did on the worksheet last week. So the first sentence is going to be the topic sentence. The second and third sentences are both concrete details, and then the fourth sentence is commentary, and the fifth is closing. This is not that much different from your comparison and contrast essay that we did. So let's move on to types of sentences. So there's going to be three main types of sentences: simple, compound, and complex. A simple sentence is going to contain a subject and a verb, expresses a single thought that can stand on its own. It's also known as an independent clause. Okay, so an example would be, the baby cried for food. Then you have a compound sentence, which is made up of two independent clauses or two simple sentences, but it's joined by a conjunction like for, and, nor, but, yet, so, or, things like that, connector words. You could say, they spoke to him in Spanish, comma, but he responded in English. For complex sentences, it's an independent clause joined by one or more dependent clauses. So a dependent clause is going to lack something, either a subject or a verb, or it has both but doesn't express a complete thought. A dependent clause always has a subordinating conjunction, such as although, after, while, until, unless, before, if, since, or relative pronouns such as who, whom, which, what, the, that, or those. So something you might say is, after he ate lunch at the Cheesecake Factory, comma, Tim went to the gym to exercise. Okay, so topic sentence practice. I want you guys to look at these before you do the answers. That's going to be on the slide as well. We have got a couple of videos today. So today we're going to be creating a claim or a thesis. So on that worksheet that we're doing for today, this is in step 2, and establish a position or claim. You want to answer the question, but don't give any reason. So answer the question whether or not you think school should start later or not. Then you're going to write your thesis. What is your claim? The school day should or should not start later in the morning. Then you're going to list your arguments. You're going to have two main reasons. You might say, teenagers need more sleep. It would improve grades. Okay? So then you would write a single sentence that captures your claim and your main arguments, and that's going to be your thesis. It's going to be, the school day should or should not start later in the day because argument number 1, argument number 2. Okay? So for the counter argument, we're going to build the counter argument on the worksheet that we're doing today. It has a bunch of little arrows and it's doing all kinds of crazy things. Just follow it closely and follow the directions, and it's not going to be an issue. So for the counter argument, you're going to have a topic sentence, which is going to be your counterclaim. Reason why someone might believe this. So school should not start later in the day because students need time in the afternoon. You might believe this because, and you state why you think people might believe this. And then you're going to have a concrete detail proving why this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong because it's statistically proven teenagers need more sleep. An explanation for why they are wrong, that's going to be your commentary. This is not a concrete detail, this is a commentary. And then you're going to have a transition sentence. So you're going to transition into your argument. So the counter argument is going to be opposite of what you put for your claim. Some people may think that school should start later in the day because starting later, insert your reason. However, this claim is invalid because, okay, do you see how these all connect? All those arrows connect, okay? So you would say, however, this claim is invalid. You would insert a reason why your counter argument is wrong. Tell me why you think your claim is correct and the counter claim is wrong. List some reasons why someone might agree with this, or show a fact that shows the counter argument is wrong and your claim is right. So you want to prove to me, show me facts and tell me why the counter argument is wrong and you are right. Make me believe it, okay? So the counter argument might be, some people think that school should not start later in the day because you would put your reason. That is going to be a fact associated with the counter argument. However, this claim is invalid because, put something there, insert a reason why it's false. Students will be more successful if school does or does not start later in the morning, okay? So your body paragraph 1, guys, it's going to be the same thing as the comparison contrast. You're going to have a topic sentence, 2 concrete details, commentary, and a closing sentence, okay? On the slides, I write what you should do in each of those sentences, okay? In the topic sentence, you're going to introduce the topic. Topic is argument 1 from your thesis statement, okay? So you're going to have 2 body paragraphs. They're going to be the 2 different arguments, okay? Then you're going to have a fact or example from your research. Your concrete detail number 2 is going to be more information about that previous fact/example. Then you're going to say how your concrete details prove argument 1 from your thesis. What do they show? Do you have 2 facts that show that students do better when they sleep more? Do you have 2 facts that show that it's better for students to have more time in the afternoon? That's what you need to answer. In your closing sentence, you're just going to restate your topic sentence. Same sentence, same meaning, different words. So don't overcomplicate it. Just basically write the same sentence, just change up the wording, okay? And then I gave you an example of a body paragraph here, so you may want to use that. I know that this went really fast. I didn't want you guys to be bogged down by a super long video, so make sure that you're asking questions. Make sure that you're coming to the Google Meets. I know that this is going to be kind of confusing, but you guys need to know what's going on. Everything that we do each day is going to build on itself, so make sure that you're paying attention, asking questions, and doing your assignments, because this planning worksheet we've been doing for the last couple of days is going to help you so much the rest of the week, okay? So everything we're doing is building on itself this week, so just make sure that you're keeping up, you're getting your stuff done, and you're asking questions if you have them. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I'm very good at a lot of things. Mind reading is not one of them. So if you're lost, please let me know. Have a great day, and I will see you guys on Google Meets. Bye.